Police officers are trained to deal with criminals. But what happens when the suspects are wild animals? Let's get started.
Hey. Holy sugar, dude.
The creepiest night shift ever.
We gotta stay shoulder to shoulder here. Heads up, heads up. I got it. Go open that door. Go open that door. Go open that door. I got it. Okay. I got it. Can we have another nurse over here? Yeah.
A highly trained police officer versus a 200-pound animal that has absolutely no understanding of rules or consequences.
I got him. I'm squeezing.
What you doing, old man, huh? What you doing up here? That way we got more ground to cover. Easy, buddy. Easy. Grab him. Come on. Grab him.
How on earth did it even end up inside?
Don't go through that window.
Just another routine shift, carefully freeing a tangled deer.
To have him get up and I get stuck in the net again. You win!
Easy, buddy. Easy. It's all good.
Looks like the elk simply wanted its own turn. Thankfully, everyone walked away without a single injury.
Oh, God.
And he hooks and floats and roll over the place.
Yeah, maybe we'll do that.
Oh, he's coming through.
Get the cage.
This tiny baby swan desperately needed a helping hand.
It did.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here.
She definitely looked like she was in a serious hurry. Swans are legally protected in several countries, and judging by their attitude, they seem to know it.
How'd you guys get out? Get inside! Go!
Maybe future recruits should be required to speak fluent goat.
Get him!
Get him, Mike. Yeah.
This little pig gave the officers an unexpected cardio workout.
Now what do we do?
Get out. Get out. Get out. Give it. Give it. Give me the damn.
Well, the goat ate the evidence, so I guess the case is officially closed.
Hang on. Don't. Hang on.
Hiding over there for.
You got the gloves and the mat. Come on, let's go.
All right.
Yeah.
It's getting it. Yeah, we needed 2 of these, Brady. Oh my God. Got him. Hey! Well done. All right, now I just don't know what to do.
Breaking into a place in broad daylight. Now that's confidence.
It's probably not mega suitable to just keep going, push it this way. Oh, got him? We got him. Where do you want to put this thing down? Back of the truck? Back of the truck. Put him in the back of the truck. Yeah.
Only something like this could happen in Alaska.
Just put him in ours and we'll take him out the road to dump him.
It was pretty obvious that Tulsa County deputies weren't expecting this kind of call. This officer deserves major credit because the situation could have ended much worse.
Come on, little guy. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Caught in a fishing net, this dolphin was lucky Officer Nelson arrived just in time to help.
Hey, guys. Gotcha. Woo! Yeah!
The alligators seem to understand the routine better than some of the rookies.
It's all right, Wally.
Animal control definitely had a challenging day with this one.
How you making, mate? Yep. You did.
Oh no. Hopefully he doesn't go through that hole.
During the early morning hours, Washington State Patrol responded to what was reported as a traffic hazard in Parkland. The suspect's description? A long tail, standing about 2.5 feet tall, huge ears, and tiny little arms. Any guesses?
There we go.
This t-shirt wearing bear was clearly having one of the worst days imaginable.
When I go in there, I want to be able to like get it.
It's a turkey, not a tiger.
Yeah, it's gonna scratch, dude. Have you hunted turkey?
Step 1. Stay calm. Step 2. Seriously rethink where you decided to live.
Charlie, you're a little escape artist.
No.
I know you want
Oh,
another
whoa,
person.
you are very soft.
He's got the good stuff. Look.
Moments like these are probably the kind of stories these officers never stop telling.
Oh yeah.
They're the dangerous part.
Okay.
okay. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right.
This might be the bravest move in the entire compilation, or the worst decision ever made. Maybe both at the same time.
Did you say if we could drive the truck back there? Okay.
Road. There's a very large turkey that just went in the store and was kind of chasing around into the store, and I don't know who to call first. I need animal control out here trying to chasing the customers, and it's really big.
Apparently, this turkey thought the grocery store's produce section was waiting for it.
So, hey, all right, you can drive forward. Yeah. We gave you a way out, buddy.
This bear somehow managed to get itself into a situation it never expected. Then the officers arrived, and suddenly they found themselves in an equally unexpected situation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these wild police body cam moments, leave a like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite clip in the comments. See you in the next video.